Well, hi family. It's mid-July and we have all kinds of vegetables growing. Cilantro. Hey, the moringa. It's doing really good. Called the tree of life. Isn't that great? So we have tomatoes. Strawberries are kind of going out of season a little bit over here, but there's still a few in there. And we have the mini little tomatoes. Kind of cool, huh? Like little cherry tomatoes. Have the chili peppers, jalapenos. Just wanted to give a little shout out to Uncle Shava and Aunt Olivia, and Rosie in the group, saying hi. People are on vacation. This is water lettuce and water hyacinth that we feed the fish. We have the mints growing in the aquaponic towers. And over here, this is actually where fermenting worm tea is a fertilizer. So you take some of the worm droppings and you put it in there with some oxygen. Got that little oxygenator here. And it's been 2 days. It smells good. So now we'll take you, we're actually getting some little chiles too. That's cool. We got the tomato plants growing. Out here at the yard. We got all of our tomatoes. We planted our tomatoes this year in the worm box. You peel this back and you just move the dirt around a little bit. And it's full of little worms and all kinds of beneficial bacteria. It's really cool. And we got cucumber plants growing really nicely. Let's see if we have any cucumbers in there. A lot of little, these are pickling, so don't see any yet, but we'll have some soon. Now we're going to go into the fish pond area. So we have our, we call these totes, where the water recirculates. And we start up there on the top and we recirculate it, and we have our water plants and water lilies and stuff like that. Then we have our squash growing. It's a nice little place to be. Beautiful, beautiful squash plants. Shout out to Tony, who's a good teacher over there at Mayana School. Look at how beautiful the peppers and stuff are growing. These are squash plants that the kids planted about a month ago, really. I think it might be 5 weeks, but man, that secret soil sauce, man, that stuff works. So we have the aquaponic program. We have the fish, and then the fish, we recirculate the water, and we're growing all these beautiful herbs on these floating islands. You have chocolate mint, spearmint, and this is all different mints for detox, for teas. This right here is water lettuce. It's great for balancing your pond, but at the same time it's really good for your fish. They eat it. So got water lilies. Pretty cool. We just sit down here sometimes and just enjoy ourselves, listening to the water. And shout out to Grandma Momo. We love you. If you want us to bring some little plants over, we'll put our crew together and show up and set your little patio up with some cool stuff. That's really awesome. Mid-July, Elk Grove, California. Yep, and this is how we do it. God bless y'all. See you soon.